the salt in our hair, running wild like we didn't have a care.
The golden days under the banyan tree, just a bunch of dreamers, wild and free.
We carved our names in the coconut shell, stories only the ocean could tell.
But the tide is turning, the wind starts to blow. It's time to pack up and let the heart go.
Yeah, the road is calling, it's pulling us apart,
but you're always right here in my heart. Oh, it's hard to say goodbye to the best of times, leaving the rhythm in the island rhymes. The tears may fall like the tropical rain, but I know that we're gonna meet again, under the same sun, by the same sea. You'll always be a part of me.
Gonna catch your eye whenever you're lonely, whenever you're blue. Just remember the fire we used to pursue.
The world is wide, but the spirit is one. We're still the children of the sun.
Across the horizon,
a bond is rising.
No matter how far,
you're my guiding star.
Distance is nothing
but a line on a map. Oh, it's hard to say goodbye to the best of times.